A parrot built a big nest on a papaya tree. After a few days it laid some eggs inside the nest. Soon little chicks hatched from those eggs. The parrot lovingly fed its babies plenty of grains and the papayas, living happily with them. But one day a hawk began circling near the tree. The parrot grew worried for its baby's safety. Andy started crying out loudly. When other birds rushed the hill, Andy the gazelle tried to chase the hawk away. The loud cries of the birds reached the ears of a lion nearby. The lion immediately came running. Andy attacked the hawk. Terrified, the hawk flew away. Yet the parrot still began to cry. Because you haven't liked Andy, subscribed Parrot, face with tears of joy.